Why do 70% of new businesses choose Shopify? Because it's a breeze to set up. Here's how to do it in 2024. First, head over to shopify.com and sign up for a free trial. Fill in your email, create a password, and pick a store name. Easy, right? Next, choose a theme that suits your brand. Shopify has tons of free and paid themes. Just pick one and customize it to reflect your style. Now, add your products. Upload clear photos, write catchy descriptions, and set your prices. Don't forget to organize them into collections for easy browsing. Set up your payment options next. Shopify supports various methods like credit cards and PayPal. Secure and simple for you and your customers. Finally, tweak your shipping settings. Decide on rates, zones, and methods. Shopify's got tools to make it straightforward. Hit publish and voila. Your Shopify store is live. Ready to share your passion with the world? You've got this.